Are you looking to get some great applications for movies, TV shows? Check this out. Follow me. First thing we'll need to do is download an application called Downloader, which will give us the ability to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. So just start with the D. Downloader comes right up. And this orange icon, Downloader, we're going to click on it. Now it says I already own it. You may not, so get it, download and install it. Real quick, guys, if you like what you're seeing, share this with a friend, please. Okay, once Downloader is installed, don't open it quite yet. Let's go to the home screen because we now need to enable an option on our Fire Stick. So head over to the settings icon on the far right and then come down to My Fire TV. Once you're in My Fire TV, I have developer options listed. You may not. If you do not have developer options here listed, highlight About and click on it, and then highlight Fire TV Stick. Use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times, and then down on the bottom, as you can see, mine says no need. I'm already a developer, and now you are too. So we can back out one, find developer options, click on it, highlight Install Unknown Apps, and then it shows Downloader, and we turn it on. This allows Downloader to install applications that aren't from the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Let's hit the home screen. Now let's find Downloader. On the far right, the 3 squares plus sign is your apps and games section. When you find Downloader, when you download new applications, it puts it right to the end. So you can highlight it, use the 3-line button on your remote, and move it to the front if you want, as that top row is for shortcuts on your main menu. So we have our main menu here, and we can highlight Downloader and open it up. Now, Downloader acts as like a browser, so it does need access to photos, media, and files on our device because we're going to download stuff through it. So push allow, and then a quick start guide here. We can click OK. Now click here. Goes highlighted, so just push up into the search area, type in a short code, 370178, and this will link you to the Led by the Unknown website. So here in the download section, there's some applications for you to check out and a couple of videos which I would definitely highlight for you to definitely highlight this video, click on it, push play, and enjoy.